Zakat, the pillar of generosity in Islam. What does the word zakat mean? D. Purification. Which pillar of Islam is zakat? C. Third. What is the primary purpose of zakat? B. To purify one's wealth. What is the percentage of wealth a Muslim must give as zakat? D. 2.5%. Which of the following is not typically subject to zakat? C. Primary residence. Who are eligible to receive zakat? B. Travelers, debtors, and the poor. In which surah is zakat mentioned as a form of charity? A. Surah Al-Baqarah. How often must zakat be paid if one meets the minimum wealth level? D. Annually. What is the minimum amount of wealth, nisab, required for zakat to be obligatory? A. Equal to the value of 85 grams of gold. Which of these is not a category eligible to receive zakat? C. One's immediate family. Can zakat be given to close relatives who are financially dependent on you? B. No, never. Zakat helps to reduce which of the following in society? A. Wealth inequality. Which form of wealth is not subject to zakat? C. Daily use household items. Which of the following sayings is related to the benefits of zakat? B. Zakat purifies wealth. If a Muslim has debts, should zakat be calculated before or after deducting debts? D. After. Which of these items would typically be included in calculating zakat? A. Jewelry that is not worn. What is the main difference between zakat and sadaqah? A. Zakat is obligatory. Sadaqah is voluntary. Which of these professions can be paid through zakat? D. Zakat collectors. What should a person do if they are unsure of how much zakat to pay? C. Estimate generously. What is one of the spiritual benefits of paying zakat? A. It brings blessings and peace.